Hi, this is Rockin' Robin. Today we are at JoAnn Fabrics and Crafts. We are going to look at their Halloween and fall decor and look at the items that you can make your own crafts for the holidays. Stay with us. Before I even got in the store, there were specials outside the store. There were these very nice pumpkins. There was whites and oranges, and I think a few other colors that were available to buy to use as your decor. There were some scarecrows and some hay. They were all 30% off. Now let's go inside and see what we find. Now when I first went in, there it was. There was a whole bunch of Halloween and fall decor. It said Together Time. So we're going to take a quick overview and then I'll go a little bit more. Look at even these were 30% off. Most of the items were 30% off. There were pillows, hello fall. There were welcome mats. They had everything you could think of. Those are very nice pumpkins. Welcome to our patch. I like that. Now they also had these cool boxes with said give thanks, probably more of a Thanksgiving theme to them. And they had a lot of fall wreaths and flowers, fake flowers. We're going to take a little bit more in-depth look at that in a minute. But first I want to show you some more Halloween-y things. And these are very cool, aren't they? Those are like Mexican scary faces. Yes, ghost death faces. I always think those are a fun thing to put out during Halloween. And now these items are stuff that you can make and you can color yourself or use them for different items. And I believe they were $4.99 and up. I don't know how much 30% off is with that, depending on what you buy. There were also a lot of really nice signs that said haunted, happy, and trick or treat. And really, I like those types of things to put around the house. If you're interested in those for Halloween, yes, 30% off. There were the prices. There was some more pumpkins. I told you there was pumpkins of all kinds, and I like those black and white ones. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, wrapping decor and ribbons. Very cool ribbons that you can probably use for a wreath. And here we go. We got some paper plates. Hello, pumpkin. Very cute. And then there's a variety of those. You can see over here if you want some scarier ones, or you want some with spiders or scarecrows or ghosts. And then there's more pumpkins. There's a lot of different kinds of pumpkins, which is really cool. And those down there look like they were made of straw or something like that. And these are more paper and more different kinds of signs. These are nice signs for inside the house. The others are maybe more for outside the house. And some more different kinds of boxes. These were interesting. These ranged in various different prices from $9.99, I believe, for the small ones to $24.99 for the larger ones. I like that. Which one? And look at this one. This one says, please don't wake the dead. Scary, eh? And this little box I want to show you with the spiders, that one was $9.99. So if you're interested in using any of those for any of the decor, they're very cute. And now we're going to look at what they had more as the garden area. There was quite a bit here. Look at all the wreaths. A lot of fall items. So if you're really looking to get ready for the fall, this is one of probably good place for you to go. Plants and plant-like items. And there's a lot of different kinds of gourds. If you like gourds and pumpkins and you want to use those, look at these small little pumpkins and some gourds over there, and very cute different kinds of items that you can use. Some flowers, all either dried or plastic fake, different variety of things. And here there are the wreaths and different things you can use, and then you can use some of the other items we saw to decorate. And again, here's the prices right there, and everything supposedly is 30% off. It's just season began, so I don't know if they regularly have it 30% off or if it's just for August. I have no idea. You'll have to ask. There's some small different kinds of pumpkins. There are all kinds of different materials. These I believe are more cloth, some of these. Down there's some wiry ones. And you can see some of the plants that they have, and then over here more pumpkins. Well, you know, it's Halloween. What do you expect? And then I'm going to show you the fabrics, because what would JoAnn Fabrics be without fabrics? If you're looking to make something and you're looking what kind of fabric to use, here are some of the designs. I'm going to show you a bunch if you want some ghosts. A lot of ghosty stuff, and some spiders if you want to make something scary. It glows in the dark, it said. And the typical pumpkin one. Now there are some more I'm going to show you. There was several. There was like 3 different racks of different kinds of fabrics. There you go. Here's some more cool fabrics. There's some candy corns, and that one was really nice. I don't know if that one glowed in the dark or not, but I really liked that one. I think that was my favorite. And here's a bunch of different designs. Here's a few more. And I found one more, this purplish one right here. That was really nice. It had some kind of, I don't know if it was dolphins or what, but that was very cute. And then this one was adorable. I believe it was cats or witches. And some more scary ones. So there was quite a bit. So those are the things I found for the holiday season at JoAnn Fabrics. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to have videos of other stores coming up, so please remember to subscribe, hit the bell so that you don't miss any of those videos, and give us a thumbs up. Happy Halloween!